So if you're sick of these wobbly stairs, we might have an option for you. We were just gifted these stationary steel stairs, and these things are a game changer when we're sitting here in a stationary position. So this unit is rated for 880 pounds, so that's a ton of weight. So I don't think you're gonna have any issues with that. It only took about half an hour to put together. All the tools to assemble it, and I used the tools that they provided. All the tools came with the unit, so super easy. You could easily take off the handle here and put this in the bed of a truck too. So if you move around, you stay longer term in each spot, and you don't want to contend with those cheap stairs, this is a great option here. We have the 4-step option, and the nice thing about it is you can move the handle to either side. In our case, the door swings forward, so we put it on the left-hand side. And these are steel stairs. They are rust resistant powder coat, so really nice thick metal here. Double wall on the sides, going to give you a lot of support. And again here with the cross bracing, it's going to keep it from racking over. It's got bracing in the back as well, cross bracing, and it's all nice hardware. Nice solid build. Just gives you a really nice footing. You don't have the little small stairs where you're gonna slide off easily. It's got some really nice grip tape. So really you're gonna have a hard time slipping on these because your feet catch really nicely. And it's just gonna give you a lot more stable place to walk out of your RV and not have to worry. They're really handy here. We're gonna keep them at the house when we stationary long term. Bringing things in and out of the RV, we're not contending with the cheap stairs. Just gives us a nice platform to work up and down. And again, if you're a little bit older too, these are a great option as well. And they're a lot cheaper than building a deck yourself or building wooden stairs, which are super heavy. Where this is actually pretty lightweight. You could move this around if you needed to. So if you guys are looking for a very affordable option for semi-permanent stairs, and it doesn't just have to be for an RV, these could be for a hot tub, whatever you need to get into an elevation. And again, this is the 4-step. They also make the shorter 3-step, but this is going to work out perfectly for us here in the RV.